In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and install the app that brings interactive Power BI reports right into your Monday.com workspace, so your team can see insights without switching tools. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com account and, if you're in a managed environment, that you have permission to install apps. Some organizations restrict marketplace installations to admins, so if you don't see an install option later, that's likely why. Start from your Monday.com home screen and open the Marketplace. You'll find it in the interface menu. Look for the Apps or Marketplace option. This is where Monday.com centralizes trusted integrations and features from partners. Opening the Marketplace ensures you're adding the Power BI capability safely and in a way that stays up to date. Once the Marketplace is open, use the search bar and type Power BI. Keep it simple and use the exact term to get the most accurate results. You should see several listings related to analytics and Microsoft tools. If your results are crowded, make sure no filters are narrowing the view and that the sort is set to best match. From the results, select the listing called Power BI Embedder. This is the app designed to display your Power BI content directly inside Monday.com, so you can view dashboards and reports alongside your projects and tasks. Click into the listing to review the description, screenshots, and any notes about permissions. Confirm that the app aligns with your use case, embedding reports within boards, items, or dashboards, so you know you're installing the right solution. Next, click Install App. You may be prompted to confirm the installation scope, such as whether it's for your entire account or certain workspaces, depending on your organization's settings. If you see a request for admin approval, don't worry. That simply means your company's policies require an admin to complete the install. Send the approval request and return once it's granted. After installation, the app will be available inside Monday.com, ready to surface your Power BI content where your team already collaborates. This streamlines decision-making by keeping live analytics in context with your workflows. If the app doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser, confirm you're in the correct workspace, or check with your admin about access. And that's it. You opened the Monday.com marketplace, searched for Power BI, chose Power BI Embedder, and installed the app. With that done, you're set to bring actionable insights into your daily work and keep your team aligned around the same, always up-to-date numbers.